Sukie, who you send for me, Sukie? Sukie, look how long my out here so wait. Sukie, and where you want come to burn down the people them building? But they right here, so. And who not come for me? Are you girl, are you text me?
Huh?
Alright, sorry sweetie. She one girl at him for come outside, me think say send for me, you send me for come outside. Sukie, me outside now, Sukie. And who you send for me, Sukie? Me uncle can't dead one time, Sukie, me can't dead 2 times. Sukie, who you send for me? Sukie, me outside. You say you're not Tanya, you say you're not fret them. You send somebody for me, Sukie, me outside, pull up. Only this not a carrier. Hey, you looking for me? Okay, one girl text me something for come outside. Me think a fear carrier pull up. Who wanna send for me? Me not have time for waste out here. You understand? Me tell you say when you not come for me, if you not shoot me, don't invite me out. Cause my uncle can't dead one time. You understand? And who them send for me? Hello, girl, where are you? I'm right here. You're supposed to hear me anyway you did, because you see me not there outside. Who wanna send for me? See me here? Tell me about that waste my time. Stand up out here so you know. Me can't even waste my time. Me not call nobody. I'm me alone. No coming on the 10s on the 1,000. Me there right here so. My clothes easy for tear off for me too. Sukie, who you send for me, Sukie? Sukie love me blood clot IG problem. And then talk about not come at people yard. Me want to know for come. Me want to know for come. You understand? Me want to know for come. I hear some me want to know for come. I want it for them that. Sukie, who you send? And who you send come? Eh? Me want to know for come. You talk about, oh, you're not outside. I'm looking for you, lady. Don't play with me. Come. Me stand up right here, so. Me not have no time for waste. Ooh, one day, Sukie, where you send them? Sukie, where you send them? Blood clot. Sukie, where you send them? Me tell you, so when I come for me, you know, if you not shoot me, you nobody come for me. Okay, if you not come out and I tell you, me I go jump out still. I'm not telling you where I have phone. But they're right here, so Sukie. Tell them say me there, Sukie. Them know the place already. Brooklyn, Faster, Farragut. Send them come, Sukie. Sukie from Benbow Lane. Where who you send? Who you send? Never now waste time. I'll me two neighbor them. And you don't see anybody pull up. Tell them I know you name Dunce. She just come back inside here. She will come out. Who do not tell people to come out? One must think that people are pussy in a foreign. You understand? I love me alone in America, you know, come never come America for this. But come outside, lady. Lady, don't play with me. Come outside. Come outside. I want to send come. What do you want for come? Tell me. Tell me. Come at me, I'm an idiot. For come meet on a church avenue, meet on a road. You don't want me, you don't come for me. When me on the book up, it different. We book up at church, I mean, we book up anyway. But like when I say me yard, and I come there right here, so I wait. You say you're outside. You say you're outside. You don't like pay people for bundling people outside and shoot them. You understand me outside. You never waste my time, you know. Can go inside. Go do what me I do, because tomorrow it's Friday. Tomorrow is Friday, Sukie. Sukie, stop text my blood clot phone. And have people a blood clot text me. Because I'm not coward, you know, Sukie. Because I'm tell you, Sukie, my growing, my mother and my father will tell me, say, your uncle can't dead one blood clot time. Animal, no, prison never make for animal, it make for blood clot human being. So no go and fuck on yourself, yeah? Okay. But yeah, talk about, oh, I'm not afraid them, Antonio. Come, so you call me out to my house. Where you there? Where you there? Where you there? Where you there? Fucking shit, Unnu. Think anybody afraid of Unnu? Not some just talker. When I do some talker. You understand? When I do some talker. Think anybody playing games, you don't know? Think anybody fucking playing games, you don't know? Don't come play with me now. Come here, I'm not a friend, I'm some mix up IG people, from Bloodclot IG on a coward. Don't come play with me, because if I kill you, you have to kill me. You have to kill me, because I'm not a coward.